Well, we're back. 4 years missing from the city. Big event. It's back. The auto show is back. I think there's something like 200 vehicles to see. A lot of emphasis on, of course, new technology with EVs and plug-in EVs. And you get to drive them if you want to. There's 20 vehicles, EVs, plug-ins, available to have a little drive around town. There's about a 10-15 minute drive. Tesla is always guaranteed to get our attention, isn't it? Got the Cybertruck here, which I got a big kick when I saw the media releases that came out, telling us that the glass will withstand a 112-kilometer baseball pitch. Now, I don't think they want you to try that while you're here. You know, Vancouver's very, very urban. So, you know, people are buying small compact crossovers as great little vehicles with the family. But then, you know, there's lots of trucks, you know, as you get out in Fraser Valley, that's a big demand. When you're away for 4 years, you know, the auto industry didn't stop. I know a lot of us did with COVID, but it didn't stop. And so there's a lot to cover. It needed to be new. And of course, they've got this Elevate theme. You know, when they wanted to lift it, they wanted to be in touch with all the developments in the last few years. I just think it'll get bigger and better even next year.